Are you getting ready to make your first home purchase and take advantage of the fantastic interest rates that are being offered right now? Well, continue watching this short video on Mortgage 101 and perhaps pick up a couple of pointers along the way. My name is Dodie McDonald and I'm with Home and Condo Market Brokerage. The interest rates that are being offered today are the lowest that we have ever seen. If you're in a financial position to make a home purchase, now is the time to do it. First step you need to know is what can you comfortably afford and what is a bank willing to lend you in order to make that purchase. You will visit your financial institution and sit down and speak with a mortgage specialist. Bring with you all of the relevant information to support your income and financial obligations, because this is all information they're going to need in order to process your application. Ensure that all of the information you provide them is accurate, current, and up to date. Make sure that you provide them with your current income, your current monthly payments that you may have. Anything that you have that is a financial obligation is relevant to an application process. Once the mortgage specialist processes all of this, at that point in time, they will pull a credit report from a credit bureau. This will ensure that they can see what your credit rating is and what your financial worthiness is at the point in time of your application. If everything is in order, they will give you a pre-approval amount that you can comfortably go out and shop for. You can now engage the services of a realtor and embark on making a home purchase. Once you have found the condo of your dreams or the townhouse or home, you can then put in an offer on the property, conditional on finance. After which this is done, your mortgage application now goes into a second tier at a branch level. This is the important tier because this is the one that is going to verify all of the information that you provided in your initial appointment. So all of the information that you have given the mortgage specialist will now be confirmed and verified by the second tier within the branch. If everything is accurate and everything is up to date and all of your financial obligations all line up and your purchase price, the bank will then approve your mortgage. This is the fun and exciting part. Now, you will wait until your closing date. It is very, very important that you understand that although you've been given an approval on your mortgage, some financial institutions will pull your mortgage approval 2 to 3 weeks prior to closing, and they could possibly pull another credit report on you to ensure that your financial position has not changed from point of application to point of closing. That being said, it's very important to understand that that is not a time to go out and perhaps purchase a new car or perhaps get excited about furnishing your new place and go and shop for furniture on credit, because by increasing a debt load after you have received a mortgage approval could jeopardize the bank funding your purchase. This would not be good. So, the points to take away: current information, accurate information, and all debt loads, financial obligations to be disclosed at the onset. And don't make any large purchases between mortgage approval and closing. That's the gist of it. Good luck with your mortgage application. Good luck with finding a home. And stay tuned to Home and Condo Market channel and watch for relevant real estate topics. Thank you.